We are going to make 10 creative birthday cards using watercolor. Here is the birthday card we are going to paint in this video. In this birthday card, we are going to paint the silhouette of pine forest during the sunset. First, we are going to start by wetting the paper. After that, using lemon yellow, we are going to create the area around the sun. That is, the sun part is going to be white and the area around the sun is painted with lemon yellow, which is then followed by light orange. While painting with light orange, try to blend the color light orange with lemon yellow. Next, using opera rose, I paint around the light orange and also blend the light orange with opera rose. Next, I mixed opera rose with little amount of violet and I paint next to the opera rose and also blend that violet mix with opera rose. While the paper is still wet, use indigo color to paint the distant trees. After painting the distant trees, tilt your board and collect all the excess pigment near the tape and wipe it using a waistcloth. My paper is still wet. Now I'm going to give another layer of indigo color for distant trees. Now tilt the board and wipe all the excess watercolor pigment that is collected near the tape. This is to avoid the formation of cauliflower effect, that is, the excess water which is near the tape will push the pigment away from its place and forms an cauliflower effect, which is not suitable for our painting. After wiping the excess water which is collected near the tape, allow the paper to dry completely. Next, we are going to paint the pine trees using indigo color, which is in thick consistency. Thick consistency is you have to use less water with the pigment. So using that, I'm painting the pine trees. If you don't know how to paint the pine trees, first practice them in a waste watercolor paper, and when you get the confidence, you can paint those pine trees on your final piece, that is on your birthday card. we have reached the end of this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.